Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to teach you two words that similar pronunciation. The first one is lia hal, lia hal, lia hal. Lia hal is the like a what to say in English. I put the pictures here. Like you see, a lot of Khmer people like to eat, especially in the like a sunny, hot day because it let that lia kind of cook very good and we like to eat. We like to eat. Yeah. And the second word is lia hai, lia hai, lia hai, lia hai. It means goodbye. Okay, I say the first word again. Lia hal, lia hal, lia, lia hal, lia hal. The second word, lia hai, lia hai, lia hai. Goodbye.